Hello everyone, hope everyone's well. Well, as you see from the footage previously, we've had, following on from the storms, we've had a lot of freezing weather. It's been a week of about -5 at night, which probably doesn't sound dramatic to a lot of you, but in Suffolk we're, I think, one of the warmest, if not the warmest county in the UK. That's quite significant. Everything's frozen, but now hopefully the temperature's coming up a bit. We're getting up to 1-2 degrees during the day now, -1 at night, something like that. So things are slowly coming back, but it's hard to predict what's going to happen the next day and what we can do in the garden, what jobs we can do with freezing weather. So I'm going to fill one of these potato bags. It's a bit early, but I thought I'd give it a go. Some soil I dumped here about a year ago. I'm not sure how deep to go on these. Right, that's what I'm guessing on this. So we've got 2 Albert Bartletts that were left over that we bought a bag of, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago. Started sprouting, so I thought, give it a go. So yeah, I don't want to overcrowd it, so I won't bury it too deep. I think we're about there. Basically, as they grow, then you fill them in a bit. Keep doing that, and fingers crossed, we get a couple of meals. You're going to ruin all my spring shoots and bulbs. Come on, off you get. Off you get. Go on, you got food. Go on, off. Off you get. So, one thing we can talk about is natural fertiliser. I've got this old pot I picked up at some car boot sale somewhere. It's great for holding the liquid. I probably fill it about 3/4 full with water, and then I just start putting all the fertiliser product in there, all the waste from the house and the garden that will be beneficial to all the plants and veg. First thing, obvious thing is grass clippings, which are great for nitrogen, so they go in, just a fistful of each. Another good one is nettles. Nettles, again, great for nitrogen, so they can go in. One from the house is banana skins. When you get your old bananas, chop them up, put those in, fantastic. The good thing with banana skins is the rate of breakdown. They break down really quickly, which is really easy then to use for fertiliser. So banana skins have potassium and phosphorus, which is great for the garden. Another thing that grows really well in the garden is bay leaves, and they're really good as well. The only slight problem with bay leaves is they do take a lot of time to break down. So I chop them up. I'll only have, probably 5-10 leaves in here, and I'll just chop them up in small pieces and put those in. But they will take a long time to break down. And the bay leaves gives us nitrogen, potassium. What else? I've got a little note here. What else do the bay leaves give us? Nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium. Another good one for liquid fertiliser is the dandelion, which is great for potassium, calcium and iron. It's all chopped up, all goes in my pot. Give it a good shake every week or so, and I'm constantly topping it up. Another thing I use, which I've shared before, is eggshell. Obviously we have our chickens. I can get a handful of eggshell and then just break it all up and put it into the compost. And as I say, apart from the benefits that the eggshells give, the likes of calcium, etc., it does help break up the compost and help with the drainage. So just checking on my sunflower seed heads, and it looks like our dear old mice have had a Christmas feast. Oh well, keeps them warm over winter, I suppose. Might be able to salvage one or two from this bit here, but we shall see. So the sustainability angle of gardening tools is sort of a two-way situation. So you can either go brand new, a quality gardening tool will last you a lifetime. Cheap stuff, not so good. But if it's quality and a durable product, it's sustainable because you'll use it year after year after year after year. Now the other side of the sustainable tools aspect is buying second hand. So it's reusing. So you can go on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, all these sort of places, and buy decent second hand tools that will last you a good few years. So I got this lot recently at a house clearance for a fraction of what it would cost new, and some really good stuff. Not particularly gardening, but a good clean jerry can, metal. I've got a platform here, which is handy for doing your trees and bushes. As well as a bow saw, loads of strops. That's not for gardening. But still handy. These are for my fishing boat. I mean, that one's brand new. But look at this. Joseph Bentley is the brand. I don't know of it, but I'll look it up now. But that's a quality tool. Another great little tool there. I like the stumpy ones. It's easier when you're on your knees gardening. Really good fork here. That's Spear and Jackson. Great stuff. Some good shears, and they've got a pruning or cutting edge there. I've got a pair of these, but mine are on their last leg, so this will be a welcome addition. A lovely block of hardwood. I mean, I don't know what that's worth, but it's a big bit of hardwood. That'll come in useful somewhere. Oh, got a Dremel set. 276 pieces in there. Oh, it's bonkers. Nuts, screws, drill bits. Don't even know what this is. Aha. Ratchet set. Always handy. Staple gun, rope, loads of rope, nylon rope, one bit brand new, still in its cellophane wrapping. $30mm polypropylene rope. And these croppers are great. When you can't reach the boughs high up, but also the power when you've got a pulley system like this, the power and pressure you can exert on those is phenomenal. You can cut some really wide diameter boughs with that. Great stuff. And an old toolbox with loads of old tools in. So fantastic find. Thanks for watching. It's another one done. I'll put some pointers on the finished video about some of the nutrients of the fertiliser, what they give, because I couldn't remember them all. There's a lot to take in as I'm learning. But thanks for joining us. Find your happiness. Stay well. See you next time.